Hey everyone, welcome back on Weekly Crypto Review, episode 106. Well, at least we are consistent in what we are doing, and I think that makes the difference in trading and in investing. Hey Bucur, hey Andrei, hey Sebastian, hey Cătălin, hey Abdullah. Nice to see you guys. If you want to help a little bit Crypto Traders Arena, you have a link posted by me in the chat, and you can repost the tweet. That will help us a little bit. Well, I think we should start as usual. We should start with Bitcoin or Bitcoin dominance this time. Yeah, I think I'll start with Bitcoin dominance this time. Why? Well, it's looking damn interesting here. Let's hide all the drawings. Weekly chart. We still have 8 hours until this candle will close, but looks kind of interesting here. If you take this high, this low, and you find the location, and then you see this 3-bar fractal here trying to close, big fat round number, 60%. Look left at this level. Was pretty important in the past. You can see it. Was support, was resistance, was support again. So if was just a fake out and will push back down, that could mean something. Yeah, that could mean something for us. Now let's zoom in. Look at the rejection. Nice and clean rejection there. Let's wait and see. We'll see how we will close this week. If this candle will close like this or lower, that's a good sign after the last week. Anyway, nice volatility, nice close, nice week to the upside. Could be a local top, yes. I like it. That means that in 10 minutes from now, you'll buy some altcoins and will pump to the sky and everything will resolve itself until tomorrow morning? No. We are looking at weekly chart. Could take months to develop. But it's an interesting chart to see. And now we can go to Bitcoin to see what we have. And I'll start with the other chart. The chart, yeah, this one. This one, because people are still asking me, well, we are bearish, we are bullish. Well, people, we are exactly where we should be. Okay? We are exactly where we should be. Nothing bad, nothing extraordinary. Look at this cycle. Yeah? Halvening, or halving, call it whatever you want. 500 days, top. Halvening, 500 days, kind of the top. Okay, halvening, 500 days, well, we are in the middle of it. So we should find the top from now on until September on Bitcoin. And until the top, the real top will appear on Bitcoin, don't expect altcoins to do the moonshot, the exponential move to the upside. Remember what happened here and remember what happened in 2017 if some of you are even active at that point. Yeah? We had the Bitcoin topping and then we had, in a matter of weeks, we had the top on altcoins. So we are exactly where we're supposed to be, people. So we had one, we had two, the third one here in the middle of the road. P-cycle is still far away. Look at the lines. We need Bitcoin to perform, so they will get closer and closer. And you can see the red one is pushing higher. Maybe this time will be a longer cycle. I don't know. But for the moment, I'm not assuming it's longer, it's shorter. For the moment, we are exactly where we're supposed to be. Okay? Look how the altcoins looked exactly in the middle of this halvening and this cycle. Look how altcoins looked in the cycle of this, in the middle of this cycle. Stretching at the max. Everything is about Bitcoin. Shitcoins will die. Okay. Indeed, This time is different. Not all the shitcoins from pump fund, because there are millions now, I think. They'll not pump. That's for sure. They are not even coins. I don't consider if a guy has 0.02 Solana on his Phantom wallet, goes on pump fund, makes a coin. Calls it, I don't know, shit coin. And that's a coin that should pump in the cycle. No. We don't consider that one. We don't even think about them. If they reached 1 million market cap, okay, maybe some of them they'll pump. Not all of them, of course. Not all of them, because some are clear. The intention of that coin was clear. Pump it, take the people money and dump it. Nobody is interested to promote that one. Though they don't have a community, they don't have anything. It's dead. So don't think about the coin, all the coins in this crypto space. Think about the serious ones. Okay? If you see that has more than 20k followers, if you see that they are active, if you see they are at least pretending to develop something, well, you can consider that coin. You can put it in the list of, well, maybe you'll pump. If you see more than that, if you see a product, if you see a utility, well, that coin will probably give you a double, a triple, a 10x, a 20x, I don't know. So that's my thinking. Yeah? You saw Bochan saying, well, this time is different. Well, it's kind of different, but it's not different in the fact that, well, for example, Cardano will not pump, or TIA will not pump, or Solana will not pump, yeah, or eGold. They are good products. They are working. They will pump, probably. Our interest is to buy them as low as possible and sell half on a double to recover our money and keep the free part as long as possible. That's the road to financial freedom plan here. Yeah? And we have to add a little bit of 2025 here. Yeah? Look at the second part here. What is the plan to sell them? Well, after it's free, we hold as long as we possibly can. It's up to you. Okay, let's go back here. So we are exactly where we're supposed to be, in my humble opinion. Now, let's hide the crystal ball. Let's see where we are on weekly chart, on normal price action. Well, what a surprise. We are exactly in the middle of the range, or close to the middle of the range. Nothing happened. That will drive crazy the beginners, the trend following traders. They'll give all the profit back. Too bad for them. They should join Crypto Traders Arena and learn how to make money in a range. Because I'll be honest, I made the most money in a range, not in a trend. In a trend, I'm glad to see some altcoins on spot to pump. Okay. But the range, it's gold. Maybe I'm more inclined to trade the range. Okay, maybe I'm a 70% range trader. But it's normal. Why? Market is in a range 70% of the time. And the people on premium, I don't know the free ones, but people on premium and VIP know what we did in the last 2 weeks. They had trades posted before the entry by me, one after one, after one, after one, and I posted them in the live stream, some of them. We framed the trades together, and we saw the results. When the market is respecting at least a fib pong strategy, well, we can make money. And I hope the premium and the VIP made nice money the last 2 weeks. Don't give it back to the market, please. Yeah? Don't get greedy, don't do stupid things. And you saw me posting. I don't know how to help you if you are not in the live stream. I don't know how to help you if you are not following the trades I post. Something that doesn't depend on me. But last 2 weeks I made nice money. For me, it was a real bull market in the last 2 weeks. And I took money from my trading account and I put them on TIA, I put them on Bear, I put them on some coins I consider that I should have more. Okay. So we are in the middle of the range. At any point in time, people, at any point in time, don't kid yourself. Don't think it's impossible. We are talking crypto here. Okay? So This line is not for nothing here. It's all-time high from 2021 and is untested level. Look at here. These highs, they never been tested. 1, 2, 3. At any point in time, it's possible to weak and test that level and then consolidate and push higher again. That doesn't make a bear market. That makes a proper cleaning. Yeah? If people feel or fearful here, imagine what will happen if Bitcoin will reach 70K. Come on. That will be a golden, I don't know, a week for me to buy altcoins. I'll take my reserves and I'll buy with 4 hands. If it will happen, I'm not saying that will happen. I'm just telling you that is possible, and I don't want to see or hear or acknowledge anyone from Crypto Traders Arena fucking panicking at this area. Because it's a normal retest in a bull market. Okay? Okay. I hope you got the idea. It's possible. I don't consider it probable at this point, but in a bull market, look left, look in the last cycles, we had 35% retracements. It's healthy, cleaning up everyone. You think a lot of people got liquidated now? Well, just imagine a week to the 72 kind of idea. What will happen with the moon boys and the people over leveraged and that they are not playing spot? And even people that they are playing spot, but they have high intensity emotions. It's over. Yeah. So you understand what I'm trying to warn you here. It's possible. Zooming in, middle of the range. On weekly, not too many things we can do. I could go on daily a little bit and show you the low volatility in the middle of the range. And you can see. Every time we touched the lower part, I was greedy and I told you buy. Here, everyone was fearful. I had to post tons of message on Twitter, on Discord. People, don't sell the bottom. Don't think about selling in a dump. Now, the emotions are okay-ish, still not good enough, but for the cycle for the moment we are in this bull market. But you get the idea. The volatility is getting out. I could put the Bollinger Bands on lower time frame here on daily, no. But if I put 1 hour, for example, look at that. This is a squeeze, people. This is a squeeze. And this is a fake out. Everyone is bearish here, no? Oh, okay. That's a lonely officer setup here. I don't know how many of you know the lonely officer. Well, it's your problem because in the useful links you have a video where a good trader, really good trader, it's explaining you the lonely officer setup. You should know it. You should ask me about it if you don't know enough. But you get the idea. Usually after a squeeze you get a fake out. You can see the higher Bollinger Band is not going in the opposite direction, which I think it's a fake out, and I think we can push back up. I'm not trading at this point in time. I'm live streaming, so I don't have a trade. Okay, let's hide the Bollinger Bands and let's go on higher time frame again, daily. So, overall, Bitcoin, people, it's fighting 100K. It's that simple. Look at here. We have it better. It's fighting 100K. If you remember, I put some drawings last week. W breakout retest. Well, look at the price action. I need a breakout and a retest here. But you get the idea. I'm thinking long here in this area. I'll be wrong. Okay, 45% of the time, 50% of the time I'm wrong. But I have a stop loss when I'm trading. Stop loss is my savior. People hate stop losses. I love stop losses because that keeps me my money in my account. Yeah. So what the Russian menace is saying there? Okay. Lonely Officer is made by Muro. Not Muro. I don't know. I don't remember his name. He's a TRI. I really was the teaching the level 2 on TRI. Someone from TRI remember me exactly the name because I have Muro from Twitter and he was a cop in Germany and now he's a damn good trader. Okay, people. So here, I'm still thinking the same. W breakout retest. Murat. Exactly, Christian. Thank you, Murat. I don't know if he's still on TRI, but I know he's a damn good trader because, and he's calm and he's patient, he's consistent. The best attitude possible for a fucking trader. Yeah, if you have the same attitude like him, well, that will help you a lot. Okay. So Bitcoin here, I'm thinking long, but I want breakout and retest to even think about a daily setup. Let's take a look at what we have on Ethereum. Weekly chart, I think that should help us a little bit. Well, look at it, people. We are still in this range. Okay? Nothing bad happened. Just some smart people bought the dip. Yeah? And they pumped the market here and they put a limit, or they put something here at 2,500, so the market is not allowed to go below that level, yeah, because that's the average they got in. Yeah? They sold 4,000, they bought back 2,500 or 2,000. The idea is pretty clear. They sold at 4 and they tried to buy at 2. Damn. With the same money, you buy the double of the quantity? I think they're smart. And it's not public. It's not the public people. It's not you. It's not me. They are institutions. They are people with money. They are Justin's son kind of idea because Justin unlocked his Ethereum from staking and sold it here. Yeah. And probably he bought it here again. I don't think he will miss that opportunity. Yeah. And now he's playing around. I don't think they'll allow Ethereum to go back down. If we're lucky, we'll get 2,400 people. If we're lucky. Because this week doesn't exist on spot markets, on everything. On Binance, it's so big. On other exchanges, go on Hype and you'll see. The low is 2,400, 2,300. Not as low as Binance. Yeah. I still think we can get something like this. W, breakout and retest. But give me the breakout so I could play the retest. Until then, I'll just wait. I could trade that small range on, I don't know, 5-minute chart. It's possible. We did it last week. We made nice money on VIP, on premium. But if it's getting closer and closer, well, let's put the Bollinger Bands again on 1 hour. Well, look at this one, people. This is another squeeze. Look at the volatility here and look at the squeeze here. They are getting tighter and tighter. How many of you know how the Bollinger Bands are formed? And what a Bollinger Band means? Yeah? How it's calculated and why it's important? Yeah? Well, you know. Maybe other traders from TRI or who listen to Murat know. Maybe you study it, go on Investopedia and you find out how the Bollinger Bands, what's the average, why are so important, why the deviation it's so important to watch, why consolidation like this follow a squeeze because the volatility is getting out. Yeah, how is calculated? Yeah, what are the numbers here? Deviation of 2, the length. Well, a lot of things to learn if you don't know. So if you are on premium, you can go on useful links, find the Murat video. Yeah, it's on YouTube, it's free, but you don't find Murat on YouTube by itself because he's not an influencer. Yeah, just posted that live there, that video, and for everyone who follows him to know about that setup. Okay, you can see it's a difference here. We don't have a close, we don't have anything outside. We are still consolidating. Okay, now let's go back on daily. The range is getting closer and closer. The volatility is getting out. So let's hide this one. At some point it will be impossible to make money if the range is low enough. The volatility is out almost completely. So you'll have to wait for the expansion. Usually, because we're talking crypto, you get a nice fake out that points everyone or the public in the wrong direction. And then the market switches to the other side and goodbye. You miss the boat and you're out. We have enough tools to catch the market. We have the holy grail to follow, to jump in a strong trend. We have everything we need here in Crypto Traders Arena. But in general, 90% of the people will just be left behind. That's how the market is working actually. Okay, so I'm thinking W breakout retest. Most probably, if the market will dump here, that's a buying opportunity. Wait for a W on lower time frame. Don't expect a W here on daily. Probably if you're lucky, you'll get a 3-bar fractal on 4-hour chart or a W on 1 hour. Take that one and live with the results. Okay? So if you get a setup here, take it. If it fails, take it second time because it's a nice opportunity. The risk reward could be really nice. How you frame it? Either you are a premium VIP and I'll show you, because if I take the trade, hopefully it's not exactly when I'm sleeping. Or you can frame it by yourself. So that's Ethereum. Now let's Bitcoin dominance. We looked at it. Nice. Higher time frame, lower time frame maybe will bounce a little bit, but nothing special. Ethereum versus Bitcoin on weekly. What do you think about this one? People, let's hide the ink. Let's hide everything. You can be bearish here. I'll say it again. I'm looking at weekly chart. Things will take time. But you can be bearish here. Please tell me you are bearish here. I put the 20... What history you have? August 2015. Okay? And you are at the POC. And you are thinking short. You are thinking Ethereum will underperform from now on Bitcoin. Could take some time to consolidate like here. Could take some months, maybe. Maybe yes, maybe no, I don't know. But I don't think you should be bearish here. I said it from 003, from the POC. You cannot get bearish at the POC. I was bearish in the top here, and I told multiple times people, don't change your Bitcoin on Ethereum because it doesn't look healthy for the moment. We need something better on a weekly chart. Yeah. Okay. Don't be bearish. Now let's go on, let's hide the volume. And let's go on lower time frame, or let's zoom in a little bit. We are pushing down. Like I told you on daily, even weekly chart, if we'll accept above 0.03, that will be a deviation. And then I could think, well, even if we retest again that week, probably we are out from the stupidity and Ethereum will start outperforming. For the moment, we are still below that level. I consider 0.03 really important. So if I'll see a close above, then I'll get more confident. If I see the market staying below, that makes me think that market wants to consolidate that level and then to push higher. Yeah. Well, will take some time, Sebastian, for a weekly W on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. But will happen. At some point in time, maybe next month, maybe, I don't know, but will happen. And if you think about halving in cycles, until September we should have the top. We have time. We are exactly where we're supposed to be. It's not the market fault because we don't have patience, people. It's not the market fault. Market is doing what it's doing, with or without us. We just need to adapt and be more patient. I'm trying to tell you that every time, every day, every live stream. That's why you are here. You are here to trade like a professional. You are here together to try to become profitable, to be consistently profitable. We're not here to fear the FOMO, to panic together. Yeah? That's why I hate the overreacting things. We are not here to panic together, people, or to get FOMO together. The community, this community wasn't made for that purpose. There are tons of them. You'll see them panicking together and go to the extremes. I will not allow something like that on Crypto Traders Arena. That's my fucking job. I made this community to help each other and to become better and to become consistently profitable. Not necessarily only crypto. Old people know what my intention is and how I'm managing things. So don't get me wrong, but we are not allowing behavior like that. Emotions, well, we'll go to zero. No. If we'll go to zero, we'll have other problems than money. Well, at some point we'll reclaim the range. Okay, people, and you still have the coins, Sebastian. So if you don't intend to sell them now, you don't need them, keep them. That's my my way of seeing things. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm not a financial advisor, people. Imagine. I'm not. I'm just a stupid trader, trading my own money and blabbing away in a live stream on YouTube. It's your fault that you are following me and you're watching the video. Please, be responsible. It's all I ask. Okay? Be responsible. Make your own plan. Make your own decision. Because you don't get credits if you are not responsible. So to get a grip of your life, you have to be responsible. That's valid for everything in life. Yeah? If you want to succeed, you have to get responsible. Well, what I'll do with my own money. What I'll do in this case. What I'll do in that case. I could show you how to do it, but I will not do it for you. Okay, so that's Ethereum versus Bitcoin here. We can look at total. Anyway, total is doing what should do. Fighting $3 trillion. You can see, it's fighting. It's in the range, it's staying there. You can see why I'm looking at, well, consolidation, long consolidation, a bit of trend. Consolidation, a bit of trend. Big consolidation, a bit of trend. So you can understand why I love the range more. So for the moment, we are consolidating $3 trillion. And accepting consolidating above 2.7, what was 2.7, 3 trillion was the high, and we are consolidating above. We are consolidating that level. Above it. It's bullish in my view. But what I know. Total 3, similar. We are fighting 1 trillion. We are fighting the high from 2021. I don't know how many coins are here in total 3. If pump fund coins are included or not, or all the shit coins from this cycle are there or not, I don't know. I didn't have the curiosity to find out. But it's still fighting 1 trillion. Yeah? And I have a message here for you. Just don't do that. Yeah? We have strong PTSD. All of us, including me. But PTSD, it's based on emotions. We are not allowed to let it run our portfolios. Well, nice to hear that, Sebastian. Nice to hear that. Some patience. A lot of people need patience. If you have patience, the fight is 50% won. Okay, that's the overview I have here. Altcoins. Well, let's take a look at weekly altcoins. Some of them. The one that they are pumping. Okay, just a couple of them. What is 6% in this case? Nothing. But if you zoom in, well, that was the low. We rejected. We closed above. Now we're trying to close bullish. It's a fucking sign. Maybe you should pay attention. Similar here. Correlate with Bitcoin dominance. Maybe you get an idea what could be next. Look at this one. Similar power of 3. By the way, premium and VIP people, go on useful links or useful setups and find out more about Power of 3 setup. I asked Stefan to put the setup there with explanation, with everything. Excuse me for 1 second. Okay. So that's my thinking. Look at it. They are trying to form a bottom. Everyone wants to buy the bottom, but they are not paying attention now. They will try to buy the bottom when the market will be high. Impossible, people. And the list could go on and on. You can see my fields here. And if I look at the ones I didn't put, I think is my fault. You can see I should have this one with green. Mana. Above. This one should be, the order is filled. Here, BNT, again. So I don't think I have unfilled coins here. Let's search for them. Dimension. Oh, this one is filled from a long time ago. RSR. Not yet. So I have one. Let's see. So from my fucking entire list of altcoins here, only one didn't get my level. Now, my orders, my fields are a bit underwater. But I care about that? No. What I want higher time frame. I want to see them in a couple of months, maybe 1 year, I don't know. I hope couple of months. So people, if you don't have a plan, look at the road to financial freedom. Get some inspiration from this plan. Maybe you want to change it. I don't have a problem with that. Just join the Discord, make a copy, okay? Make your own copy here. Then do whatever you want with it. You even have some the way you should automate it, yeah, because will take automatically the price from a coin market cap here, yeah. You can see the price is at the day in every day is updated automatically without paying, yeah. And look at this spreadsheet. Let's take it level by level, yeah. Readme first, that's one. There are some statistics here, yeah. Strategy, the plan you should have. Then you have the list with coins, with levels. Yeah. This wasn't made by a beginner. This spreadsheet was made by professionals. Yeah. If you want dollar cost averaging plan, come here, put your plan. Okay? Put your plan here. Dollar cost averaging levels. You can add, make your own plan on dollar cost averaging. And then statistics here. This document took a lot of time and effort from Miku and his friends to make such a spreadsheet. And we are not asking for money for it. We are traders. We are making money from trading, from investing. We are not asking for money for a spreadsheet. It's for free, people. I'll ask for money for my setups. I'll ask for money for my time. But this, it's totally for free. You need to be on Discord, of course. So be able to access this, but... Okay. So, make your own plan. Dollar cost average or copy this plan. It's up to you. Okay? And start buying some altcoins if you want to be part of this cycle. Just my 2 cents. Not a financial advice, people. Okay. That's the list here. I'll take a look at 4-hour chart on Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe some altcoins, and then we can take some requests. What do you say? I want to stay with this live stream below 1 hour. I don't want to go above 1 hour. Please hit that like if you want. Will help us a little bit. Or hit the dislike if you want. If you don't like the live stream, please hit the dislike, but hit it twice to be sure you hit the button. Yeah? Okay. Let's see what we can see on lower time frame. Kind of on 1 hour time. It's not the weekly crypto review thing to watch on 1 hour, but why not? I know most of you are on the Discord app. You are trading already, so I want to update you here a little bit. As I said on Bitcoin on 1 hour, I consider a fake out here at the end of the week. I don't have a proper setup here to take this trade here. If you trade the Lonely Officer, you have it in your portfolio, you have it in your plan, okay, you can take this. Lonely Officer is telling you at the market to take the trade. It's up to you. Classically, I should wait here in the long reload zone for a W if I want to trade at this point in time. Overall, looking at this last movements, down, up, and consolidating, it's a symmetrical triangle. Ken is the master of symmetrical triangles. So the volatility is getting slowly out, you'll get a fake out, and then you'll get in the right direction. Sometimes you get two fake outs, up, down, and then a dark mole candle, and then the market will go in the desired direction. So the volatility is going out from the market. That's the idea. It's getting harder and harder to be profitable. And Bukur, I want you to acknowledge that, because you are one of the guys that they are trading this market with me. The volatility is getting out. The setups will not be so profitable. So soon enough, not now, but soon enough, we'll probably be forced to stay out until something will happen. No? When the volatility is too low, they have a saying in a traditional market: don't fucking short a boring market. So let's wait. The volatility will come again. You saw the squeeze, you saw everything. See, there are ways to trade the squeeze. Yeah, Kevin has a way to trade the squeeze, has a setup, even an indicator made. An instructor from TRI has the Grim squeeze, again based on Bollinger Bands and other things. It's possible. I prefer to see the triangle, to play as long as I have volatility, and then just sit and wait for the next move. So from now on, I'll be more tempted to play the SFUs. Nope. SFU to the highs. You can see I have a lot above. We have some lows, some SFUs. Example, this one. If the market will dump here and will dump violently, think I'll try to buy this level? I think I will. Long reload zone overall, nice location, nice everything. So that's the idea. Ethereum, similar triangle trying to form. The volatility is getting out. Let's wait for the weekly close. Tomorrow, hopefully we'll have a fake out, or tomorrow could be a boring day again because it's Monday. Who knows? We'll see. But I don't suggest you to try to micro trade here. So to trade on lower time frame, this small range. Not the best solution. When we had volatility, we made money. Now it's time to just sit out. I'll put 4-hour chart for the rest, and I'll take a look at, for example, at Hype. Hype is one of the strongest, but has some resistance here. If we'll accept above this level breakout and retest, okay, we can push higher. And I assume that at some point in time we'll push higher. For the moment, we are still in this ugly range. Solana, similar. The volatility is getting out. And you can see where $200 is now as a resistance. Until we reclaim that, I'll think that we'll push lower and lower. To reverse, to play a setup, well, okay, give me on 1 hour or 4 hour, give me a 78.6, give me a W. I need a W to play a setup, a long setup on Solana or other altcoins. W breakout and retest is the best approach. And I showed you what W breakout retest is. Okay, I don't want to repeat it over and over again. Yeah? So a W will look like this. Okay, this is the neckline. Yeah, the right part has to be a bit higher for a W than the left one. Okay, this is the breakout point. If you want to take the trade here at this level, it's up to you, it's a bit risky. Or wait for the breakout, okay, and then play the retest. That's your entry, and then market should push higher. How you frame that trade, I'll explain for everyone, it's not a secret. Either you enter here, either you enter here, your entry should be at this level, or close to that level, and stop loss below the lowest low here. Not here. This is the noob stop loss, the stupid people stop loss. Sorry, but that's the reality. So you want to put it just below this week low. Week, not candle body, wick, below the wick. And then try to get a 2 to 1. You get the idea? So either you enter at the retest, either you enter at the breakout, the strategy is kind of the same. If you enter at the breakout, don't move the stop loss at crash too soon because you'll probably have a retest. That will stop you out and then the market will go up, which is bad for you. If you are playing the retest, then it's safe for you, yeah, when you reach 1 to 1 to move your stop here. Why? Because you already have the retest. If the market comes back down, that will form an EM and you don't want to be in that market anymore. Okay? It's not rocket science, people. Pretty simple. So this is the basic thing we are doing over and over again. I know a lot of you, they are following Crypto Traders Arena for long. They know, they dream this kind of behavior because it's most of what we are waiting to happen in the market. But don't fuck around until you'll have the breakout. Don't fuck around until you'll have the retest, depending what you choose to play. Don't play around. Well, I'll try it. Why? I don't have a setup, but I want to have a trade in the market. That's stupid. Losing money. Okay. Some of you don't even know how important is what I just showed you last 2 minutes. Anyway, let's go to the next one. TIA. Well, TIA is consolidating this. You can see dump, pump, and we are forming a range. We are consolidating that level. If I'll put the daily chart, you'll see that to have a daily W or a weekly W, you need to consolidate this level. And we are respecting $3 there. Will happen in the next 10 minutes? TIA will go up? No. What I do with my profits from trading, from day trading? I'm investing in TIA, some of them. It's my decision with my own money. What you do? Your problem. Trump. Well, Trump is trying to form, but until I'll see a daily double here, could go up, could go down. You can short, you can long, it's up to you, but I'll wait something like this to even think about. It will take some time. Trump was nice, was the best, nice and shiny, like I like to call it, but now, nah, not anymore. And because we can trade some, put some location on it, we have the high, and we should consider the low 0. Okay? So let's put 0, or close to 0. Because that's the price where we started, no? Okay, and now let's put a long reload zone. Altcoin reload zone? I think that's the best. Huh? I think this is the best. Well, look at it. We're at 78.6 and we are waiting for a W. What a coincidence. It's up to you people. Do whatever you want, but it's I know it's working. I'm using it day in, day out, and I'll respect my plan. I'm not bearish on Trump. I put it in the last chance challenge. So, up to you. By the way, about Kappa 1 and Kappa 2, we had late registration until today. Tomorrow morning, we'll close the late registration. We had 1 place for Kappa 1 that is still available and 2 places for Kappa 2. With or without, we'll close the registration. We had 2 weeks of late registration, more than enough. It's time to close it and focus on teaching and focus on trading and something else. VIP is closed until the next month. Yeah, until the beginning of next month. Don't DM Stefan, he's not able to help you. It's closed. Premium, 2 places. I have a limit of 100 and something. We reached that limit already for premium members. So I have to make a new plan. I'll have to change it a little bit to accept more premium members because we are full. 100 there, 50 there. That were the limits we imposed ourselves because I know I could manage these people, to try to help them. I should increase the number or not, we'll see. I have to discuss with Stefan, with Miku, and everyone and try to find out what we'll do next. If we'll accept more, or if someone is giving up, doesn't want to stay on premium, okay, I could put that place for a new guy to get in. Don't be the guy who approached me last time, the last one, who paid $150. I told him, well, you need to answer some questions. Okay, he answered with ChatGPT. I know that. Nah, it's pretty simple to realize that. Okay, so be it. I asked him, give me your TV username. He didn't know what TV means. I asked him, well, you said you're intermediate as a trader, but you don't know what TV means. Well, if you don't like me, just give me my money back. Okay, give me address. Out. Sorry. I don't... people, you understand, we are a community. I don't need someone to come and pay me in premium or to pay me on VIP or to pay me anything. We are selecting people here. I want a good community. It's not about $150. It's not about $450, which is the premium. Come on. I keep the prices as low as possible just for that. I could afford to select. If you don't behave nicely, you don't have a place here. I know, Andre. No? Tell the good people here what I said below 20K. When everyone was waiting $8,000 per Bitcoin because that was the cost of production. No, we wasn't. The price was 20K. But anyway. Huh? Tell good people here what I told you. It's the time to accumulate dollar cost average Bitcoin below 22K. Not altcoins, Bitcoin. I still have the Bitcoin. I sold 40% from that Bitcoin at 50K. A bit too early, but I still have the rest. I don't intend to sell it. Now, because I sold that 40% at 50K, I could hold that Bitcoin for free for entire life. I don't care anymore. Okay, people. That's about our paid version. Yeah, you have premium VIP Capo 1, Capo 2. We'll close Capo 1 and Capo 2 VIP next month. If one guy from VIP will will not want to continue because we are full, we have 50 people and they have priority. Premium, DM me first, please. Yeah, I could accept, I could break my own rules a little bit, but DM me, I want to know you first. Don't do the payment and then come, well, give me the premium access. You'll get your money back for sure. I will not take your money, but you'll not get in premium. And you'll leave a bad impression also. Sorry. Okay, back on this part. I see something on Litecoin, people. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah? I see something on Litecoin. It's trying to do something here. We had 1, 2, 3 attempts. I don't suggest you to play this level if you are a classic trader. I attempted with Holy Grail and I got stopped out first time. I'll attempt again, no problem, but I could see Litecoin. I don't like Litecoin to pump. Let's put weekly chart. I don't like Litecoin to pump because in the past and the last cycles, Litecoin was kind of the signal that the season is over, was the last one to pump. But in this cycle didn't pump at all. So I don't know if it will be the same. It's damn cheap. Was even cheaper, Litecoin. Litecoin just needs someone to get a grasp and start promoting and start working on it. It's one of the biggest networks, people. A lot of people are still holding Litecoin. Yeah, is well distributed. Could be used, yes. Will be used. Someone will help and will try to. They need someone to push them. I don't know. I'll follow this. I like this price action here. You can see the range, breakout, retest, and it's trying to accept above. I'm tempted to hunt only long ideas here. Yeah. Well, that's nice, Andrei. That's nice. I still remember our discussion years ago, Andrei, at the phone. And I remember you had some problems. And luckily, Andrei, you listened. You are the one of the guys who listen and they dollar cost average. They didn't panic. They didn't sold. They bought the bottom. You are not a trader, that's for sure. You attempted to trade. But as an investor, because you are have something else to do, you can succeed. Then you can make tons of money. Just being consistent on higher time frame. Okay, let's take some requests. Apmo is saying Om. Well, Om, what time frame, Apmo? Let's take a... I'll be tempted to. Come on. What the fuck you want to do on this one? Look at it. I'm not able to touch this one, man. It's pushing higher. If I have some coins from here, okay, but what you can do, you can trade it Holy Grail. No. I'm not shorting anything. Weekly looks strong. Could push higher. I don't see weakness. Let's put some indicators. RSI, it's overbought, but nothing special. Nah, I don't see a clear... let's see daily. Nah. Look at the OBV. It's making new highs now. You have a... I don't know. Usually on altcoins, if you want to play the short side, I don't recommend at this point in time. You need something like this. And it's something special, specific for altcoins. You'll have the YAM, okay, you'll have the YAM. That will trick everyone that they should go short. And then at the retest, actually the market will come and take the high, SFE everyone, and then will go down. An ugly pattern, but I have this one in my plan specifically for altcoins. I don't play this setup. Why? The altcoins, they are oversold, they are over... I don't know, at the lows, so I don't even think about this one. But the time will come when I'll play this setup. So you have the M, the classic M, you don't take the breakout, you don't take the retest, because it's a fake out, you just play the SFU here. If you see the market taking here, taking the high, and when it's accepting back below, that's your entry. And it's a damn nice setup with a high risk to reward. If you can follow it, and you can play it, it's all you need. But is not day by day. Okay, so that's a specific setup for altcoins. When everyone is, well, I have an M, I have a that's the top. They'll SFU and they'll take the highs, and that's your entry. Even if you want to learn, you can learn this one. Back test it. It's a lot of work to back test. It's a lot of work to forward test. It's a lot of work to vet the setup. Tons of work and boring work, but not usually trader. That's their job. Well, more than welcome, Kill Bill. More than welcome. I do my best, and guys like Andrei know I'm consistent. I'm trying to do my best, and I think the best I can do, it's enough. Anyway, I cannot do more than that. Okay, so let's see. Andrei is asking about Sonic. Well, the problem with Sonic, it's ugly. I don't have the history anymore. But Sonic on... I don't know. I could try Binance. Or I could try... I'll try Kraken. Yeah. I get the idea. It's all over the place. It's a range. I don't have the history from FTM. They made a new coin. The history is gone. Please find me a chart with the entire history. But you get the idea. This was the low. This was the low. Okay. We take what we have. And 4 hour chart, because we don't have enough history. Here in the lows at 20-30 cents. Give me a clear W. We don't have W. We have M's here. Even if the liquidity is low on Kraken, we have a lot of holes here. You get the idea. Yeah? We have M's now. So wait to consolidate and take the W and breakout. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Sebastian. Buy when it snows, and We still have 1 month of snow, at least in Romania. Well, we bought. We have our bags full. We should wait for a bounce. Even on the road to financial freedom. Why I'm not talking about the levels here? Why? Because I don't have anything to talk about. Huh? Look at it. I don't have money to put new limit orders. I have limit orders below. I wait for a fill. And that's it. And we need shots. I need to market to pounds. Sell half on a double, so I'll get more money to reload. Until then, I'm just waiting. The plan is still active. The plan is still valid. I don't have a problem. It's an investment plan, so I could stay 6 months without doing anything if the market is in that kind of a period. I don't have a problem with that. Just waiting. Last chance challenge, same. I added 4 more coins last 2 weeks. We have 50 coins on last chance challenge, all relatively new coins. I think it's the best plan. Okay, people. So Sonic, show me more. Well, we had the event. They changed from Phantom to Sonic, but it's done. Like we have, for example, let's take another one here. Jupiter. Let me look at Jupiter a little bit. Yeah? Higher time frame. Let's put a weekly chart. Yeah? We had the event. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Simple, people. Nothing changed. Yeah, buy the rumor. People bought the rumor. They all born 50% of the supply. They all buy back their coins. Okay, that was the rumor. People bought, and now we sell the news. Is bearish? No, it's not bearish. On the longer run, it's not bearish, but we need to consolidate. Give me a new W, maybe even lower. 50 cents will be a gift. Look left. We never tested that properly, that level. So if you see Jupiter at 50 cents and you see a W on daily, you can go and buy it. Or you can even put a limit order at 50 cents and wait. You get the idea. And there are a lot of coins in the same category. On lower time frame, let's take a look at Bera, for example. On, I don't know, 4 hours. It's enough. We have enough history for a 4-hour chart. I think we have. Huh? Look at it. We had a trade on premium. We made nice money here. We closed the trade here and look what happened. We are back at the entry. I bought some Bera here on spot. From my profit, I just bought some Bera. I want to have some exposure on Bera. If we'll go below $5, well, I'll get even more. If we'll go below $4, you can see here I have some levels. Why I have the levels? Because if I don't have the history, big round numbers will be enough to bounce. And you can see we bounce from here. We formed a resistance here. Similar at this level, similar at this level. So they are respecting big numbers. If I see that, I could put the big numbers here and use them as a support and resistance. Okay? So, people, there are a lot of things we can do in this market. Yeah? And people that are spending 10K, 20K, 50K on the market on meme coins and they are not learning how to trade, their business. Someone told me, well, my friends are spending the money and they are not. I told them to join Kappa One and they don't want to do it. Let them be. We don't need them. If they want to lose the money, if they want to just fuck around and play the casino, well, play the casino. It's your money, your job, your mind, your life. Do whatever you want. But don't come and tell me $1,100 it's expensive for Kappa One, because I put tons of effort in that program to make it, and I put 4 months of my time to teach you that program. So if you don't like it, don't join it, but I cannot help you. Same with premium. We are live streaming every day, Monday to Friday, every New York session. and the price is less than a coffee a day. Please don't join if you are not serious, because I don't need moon boys there to ask stupid questions. I need people that they want to learn. That's why I let the prices so low. Everyone is putting double the price. You can see it. Everyone is a trader now. Yeah, it's that kind of environment where every Twitter guy will they have a Telegram where they're teaching you to trade. They trade on paper. Yeah, they trade on simulated accounts, and they are showing you big numbers. Go follow them. I don't have a problem. I even told Stefan not to talk about them, about scammers anymore and crypto traders. I know why. We need to focus on the real things. We need to focus on the making money, on being consistently profitable. It's full of scammers, we know. Last week, a guy from our community got scammed. Was his fault? 100%. I'm happy about it? No. I hate it. Nothing I can do. I changed the message. I changed some things to warn people better, but sorry. The guy lost $600. His mistake, but still hurts. Still, I'm not comfortable when I see people from our community losing money or give the money to the scammers. Come on, people. You are better than that. And if you see a scammer DMing you, accept that friendship and then report him. If you ban him, if you block him, okay, you don't want to hear him. But if you want to help us, you'll just report him to the Discord. That will help us a little bit. Okay, I want more requests. Let's do more requests because we just did one or two. Let's do more, 10, 15 minutes, and then we can close it. Theta W, what time frame? Say again. Oh, this one you mean? This is a nice one. Look at it. Well, sorry people, just a stupid trader here. Now, you can see W, breakout, EM, retest. Well, if you are referring to this W specifically, well, there are two ways. Dollar cost average here, Andre, if you want. It's a good level. You can see it's a damn good level. Let's put the volume profile. There you go. I think it's okay-ish. If you want to, I don't know, to wait a little bit more, wait for the next weekly double. Will take some time, but will happen. And you can see we had some weekly W, some are smaller, some are bigger, depending on your strategy. Yeah? But on weekly, we have the weekly W, the big one, breakout retest. It's at least, what I could tell you, it's a nice location to look for a long. What's your strategy? Dollar cost averaging. Good. You can start a dollar cost average. Little old lady. You can buy here and put a sell half on a double at 2.6. It's doable. No problem. You want to wait for a W and play that W. Exactly like this one, just a smaller one here. Again, doable. If the market will not pump, will not get bullish overall, we can get at $1. I think we can. And actually, if you want to be a cheap ass, just hide your order at $1, $1.01. Okay, it's a good level to hide here. It's a big fat round number. If you look left, this $1 is pretty important. It was used as support and resistance. When the market accepted above $1, pushed higher. When accepted below, dumped 40% or 50%. So SFU taking $1 level where people hide their stop losses, doable. So if you want to be sharp, play that $1 level. If you want to wait a little bit more, wait for the next W. Dollar cost average, you don't have a problem. You are just buying every week. Popcat. Domba. I'll be honest. A guy that is buying Popcat for investments deserves his fate. What is PopCat? You want me to go on deck screener now? I'll do it. Actually, I think I have it on, yeah, look at it. First of all, we bought here. At the beginning, we made nice money. Kevin made the most money here on PopCat. We have a acceptable location here. But it's a meme coin, man. It's just a fucking meme coin. This could bounce from here to 60 and go back down and stay to 0. I don't see the long consolidation we need usually. The long consolidation is not here. And that's a problem. That's a problem. Yeah, we can bounce, we can go, we can do something like this. We can all over the place. All over the place and stay here until. Why you are focusing on PopCat? I don't know. Why you want to invest in PopCat? I'm talking about TIA and other utility coins and good coins. And some people want to buy PopCat. The PopCat was a nice play here. Was a nice play here. Now, if you really want and you like it and you know the community is still active and they are still pushing it, well, 1% here in this area and just forget about it. Yeah. Sorry. And this looks bearish, honestly. Look at it. Consolidating, dump. Consolidating, dump. Consolidating, probably dump. They could push higher, 45, 60. But it's a downtrend, man. It's a fucking downtrend. Look at it. Lower highs and lower lows, nothing changed. We have some W's here? Yeah, we have, but still looks bearish. What's the potential, man? Look at it. Look at this kind of, from 30 cents. What's the potential on PopCat? As an investment. You buy 30 cents and you have $2. Well, less than 10x. Why you should do that? When you have utility coins with a better risk to reward, man. Sorry, that's just my opinion. After we'll consolidate and I'll see clear setups, okay, why not? But I think it's still too expensive. 300 million market cap, man. Come on. For a meme coin? A cat with... We have Doge example. Yeah, it's possible. But I should bet my money on it? Nah. And Doge, we bought it at the lows. So, please put this one back at the original place. Yeah. Untested level here. Now you can see. And don't tell me it's impossible. Don't do that. Huh? You can see here the highs. Untested levels. And maybe I'll pay some attention and maybe I'll even touch it. But here? Nah. No. Sorry. Sorry to disappoint you. But nah. And I'm not saying that's your case, Domba, but I know from my experience and from the last cycles that people come and they put the coins they want to shield in the chat. Don't do that with me because I'll be honest and I'll tell you it's shit if I see that you are trying to shield something. I'm not here to impress anyone, people. I'll bluntly tell you the truth, and or my opinion at least. People from inside the Discord community know that. Okay, next one. No requests? Let's see if we have more. Well, no requests, less people in the live stream tells me that we are still bearish. The sentiment is still bearish, not the coins. That's how the new bottom is forming, people. So congrats to the people that they are still here, still fighting. Keep going. Not many of us left. I know tons of people from 2 or 3 years ago, they're gone. They'll come back at the top, unfortunately, again and again. Now at the bottom, when they have opportunity, they don't pay attention. Sorry. And we have good examples. We have tons of examples. People that they stay consistent, they made money, and they are in a good position. The best example is Andrei. Another example is Miku. And we have more. Christian. A lot of people that they are in a good position. Yeah, I'm not talking about Stefan. Stefan, it's an exception because he stayed with me day in, day out for 12 hours for the last 2 years. So he managed to do something really nice. But you get the idea. And now it's still an opportunity to buy, in my view. Well, I'm blabbing away and people are not putting requests, so I think we should call it a live stream. We'll activate again, we'll review the coins again when we'll have money to spend. Yeah, so we need some shots. Until then, we are waiting. Plan is still active, plan is still working. On lower time frame, we can see we have some location even on Bitcoin. I don't know what you want to do, but if I'll see a dip, I'll try to buy the dip. If I'll see a proper setup. Like Sebastian is saying, see you tomorrow morning. We are live streaming every day for public. It's the best thing we can do. Plan the day with everyone. It's a lot of value there. And from time to time, I could find in the live stream, I could find a possible setup. It's up to you if you take it or not. Not a financial advisor. But in the same time, it's enough for you to start. If you need ideas. But the problem are not ideas. The problem is the process. You don't know how much to risk. You don't know how to manage risk. And that's the problem. That's why you're not successful. Not because you cannot find ideas. Okay, people. Let's call it a live stream. Like the video if you want. Share the link with your friends so more people will join. I don't want to get too big. I want to organically grow as healthy as possible. So that being said, people, see you next time, tomorrow morning. Bye bye.